solve problem by modifying cognitive distortion and repetitive problem, including interaction, and by learning new knowledge and skills. It is based on the influence of family members, hold by offering positive and negative reinforcement to the other family members. So cognitive, it's basically related to your knowledge and skills, interaction, learning process. The name itself says you must know about the learning of new problem solving techniques. You must learn to skill and learn new skills related to overcome problems of your life and other things too. So this is actually offering a positive and negative reinforcement to the other family members. What are the positive things you can do in your life, so to overcome the problems of your life. And this is about your cognitive behavioral therapy. Next one is your postmodern family therapies. So these are the group of therapies which includes narrative, solution focused, collaborative language system, feminist family therapies. Innovation introduced by the postmodern therapies have opened new way for a family to solve the problems by valuing and learning from their own experiences, histories, traditions, values and identities. So postmodern family therapy basically involves the narrative form, is telling a stories what actually you have done in the past or your ancestor has done to come up the problems. So that is the narrative. Solution focus, basically what the solution can be. It is the solution focus, postmodern this family therapy. Then there is a collaborative language system, families formation, and we are going to solve the problems by our own experiences, histories and what our traditions and values says and identities are used in the this family therapy. Family psychoeducation therapies. So the family psychoeducation approaches emerged that sought to put the illness in its place, helping families to acquire knowledge, skills and resources needs to minimize the loss of money and energy from chronic medical or psychiatric disorders. So family psychoeducation, basically you're helping families to acquire knowledge and skills, okay, and minimizing the loss of money and energy to form for a medical, psychiatric or psychiatric disorder. And these are the education past, okay, how this family can be educated to related to this to solve their family problems. Next comes the phases. We have seen the this all therapies we have seen, then we have seen the types, we have seen the what are the function of family members, then we have seen assessment part, we have seen the indication parts, and we have seen also about the aims and definition of this all things. Now let's we see the phases. What are the phases of this family therapy? So establishing empathetic or supportive connections. There should be a good empathetic and supportive connection is the first phase. Evaluation the current need of family. Then orienting the relative to the current situation and developing an initial plan for a family service and involvement. So what are the phases of this family therapy? First one says that establishing an empathetic supportive connection. There should be a good connection between your family members, which is one of the most important. If you have no good connection between your father or mother, this may create a stress or conflict or may become you a lonely. Next one is evaluation of current need of family. What actual current problem is of this family? Is the current problem of the family is the money? Is the current problem of the family is love and care? Is the current problem of the family is the this reputation, self-respect or any other things? So we must identify the current problem of the family. Third point says orienting the relative to the current situation. Each members of the family should be oriented to the problems. What actual the problem of the family is. Why there is a conflict between you and your family members. So for that we must make them to orientate the situations of the problems of the family. Next one, developing an initial plan for a family services and involvement. So what initial plan, what initially in the starting we can go for a family to provide a service so that they can solve their problems and they can resolve their problems, okay. Next is the guidelines for therapists. Okay, what therapist must do. Okay, first is address the family's concern to work together with the family therapist. First one is that means their concern is that the family members must work together with the family therapist. This should not be like the therapist is continuously working, but the family members are not cooperating with the therapist. Okay. Next thing says families needs this work closely with the mental health professionals. So families mental health professional must be contacted. Then help the patient to relearn how to law again. Okay, patients must be taught that how he or she can relearn the things. Okay. Next, families need to learn that relapse and regressions are normal parts of the recovery and are not evidence of a failure. So, family must understand that regression, relapses are the actual part of the life. Okay, recovery and these are not the evidence of the failure. Means if you are getting a loss in your business, it doesn't mean you are a failure. This can be recovered and it is a learning, and means relapses means to the new situations. Family needs to learn to accept risk and changes. This is one of the most thing. What happens, family don't accept that they may face any risk in their life or changes in their life related to the death of the loved person, related to the relationship status of the person. So they must accept what this family needs to do. For when they are in the family, they must know that they have to accept the risk and the changes in the life. This is the important part as a nurse, what you can do in the role of the family therapy. To coordinate the treatment everyone in a working towards the same goals in a collaborative and supportive way. To pay attention the social and clinical needs of patients and family. To provide optimum medications and management. To listen to families and treat them as equal partner. To explore family expectations. To assess family strength, problems and goals. To provide initial intensive education program followed by the confining educational targeted at needs. To provide explicit crisis plan and professional responses. To promote clear communication and active listening, and to provide the training in the structural problem solving technique to help resolve the problems and sensitive contents of the family. So these are the role and functions, role of the nurse in the family therapy. What she must coordinate during the treatment parts, pay attention what the social and clinical needs of the patient is there, and provide a proper medical management, listen what the family needs, treat equal partner equally, each person equally, explore family expectation, what the family is actually needs, and assess the family strength, problems, goals. Each family has some strength. Okay, each family has some problems. Each family has some goals. So they must, the nurses must know what the basic strength and problems of the goals of the family is there. Okay, initial intensive education programs should be followed by confining educational targeted needs, and provide a explicit crisis plan. Okay, and promote clear communication and active listening too. So this was all about your this family therapy. How the family works, what are the role of function on the family, and how you can solve your family problems. First thing is you must communicate properly with your family members. Means you must go for the interaction with them. If there is a conflict between you and your mother, you must talk to her what actual problem is, what's her demand. Sometimes it's not possible to fulfill each and everyone's demand or expectations, but you must listen why she or she is behaving such a behavior, such behavior she is showing to you. So this thing is very important thing. And to solve your conflicts between you and your partner or your family member, your mother, you must plan in a whole strategic way, so that your problems may solve and you may live a happy family life. Because a happy family is a very important thing. Because whatever you work and however you work in the conditions in your workplace, but at the end you must have to go home.